I'm Carolyn Mall. I'm the nutritional director here at Nutrition River. In my 14 plus years of studying food, fitness, and fads, I have been obsessed with getting the facts. I'm so happy to share here with you what I know. Today, I wanted to discuss how to start an intermittent fasting protocol for yourself. So if intermittent fasting is something that you have been considering, in this report, you're going to be able to know how the various methods of intermittent fasting differ from one another, and also how physiologically intermittent fasting works in your body. I hope you enjoyed the article. Thank you so much for being a part of Nutrition River.